Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PNC Virtual Wallet on desktop, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. Type in the URL for PNC Bank's official website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign On button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign On button. You will be directed to the login page. In the User ID field, enter your PNC Virtual Wallet user ID. Next, locate the Password field. Enter your password associated with your account. Make sure to double-check for any typos in both fields. If you wish to stay logged in for future visits, check the Remember Me option. Proceed to click on the Login button. The system will authenticate your credentials. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to your PNC Virtual Wallet dashboard. From here, you can access all your account features and information. If you encounter any issues logging in, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials if necessary. You are now successfully logged into PNC Virtual Wallet on your desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.